Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MetaMask to connect to Uniswap step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in MetaMask in the search bar. Click on the official MetaMask website link. Look for the download button on the homepage. Select the version compatible with your device. For Chrome users, click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. Proceed to the Chrome Web Store page. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Review the permissions and click Add Extension. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, the MetaMask icon will appear in your browser toolbar. Click on the MetaMask icon to open it. You will be greeted with an introduction screen. Click on the Get Started button. If you are a new user, select Create a Wallet. Read the terms of use and click I agree. Set up a secure password and confirm it. Click Create. You will be shown a seed phrase for wallet recovery. Write down the seed phrase and keep it safe. Confirm the seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, click All Done. Your MetaMask wallet is now created. To connect MetaMask to Uniswap, visit the Uniswap website. Click on the Connect to a Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. A MetaMask notification will pop up asking for connection permission. Review the details and click Next. Click Connect to finalize the connection. Now your MetaMask wallet is connected to Uniswap. You can start trading and swapping tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.